Care and use of Desco Model 40 needle guns is presented by Desco Manufacturing Company. Part 4 of 4, Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting covers what to do if you experience any of these common problems with your needle gun. When the tool jams, the most likely cause is lack of lubrication. To correct, disassemble, clean, inspect, lubricate, and reassemble. If the problem persists, contact your Desco representative. Short needle life is often caused by the tool operator bearing down on the tool too hard. Use hold-down pressure only and let the tool do the work. Be sure to disassemble and replace broken needles before proceeding. Note, all needles should be the same length for best performance. As a result, you usually have to replace all needles, not just the broken ones, because the new ones are longer than the worn older ones. It is permissible to replace only the broken needles when doing so results in no difference in needle length. Slow performance is usually caused by insufficient air or lack of lubrication. Check that your air supply is putting out the required 90 psi at 3 CFM. You can confirm 90 psi by checking your regulator. Check the air supply hose. A 1/2 inch diameter, 50-foot long hose is recommended. Hoses less than 1/2 inch in diameter will restrict airflow. Hose length affects air pressure. The longer the hose, the greater the pressure loss. If you're using an inline lubricator filter evaporator, check to see if the filter is clogged. For lack of lubrication, check to see when the tool was last lubricated. Perform maintenance as necessary. When air passes through the needle gun, but the needles do not reciprocate, the most likely cause is the pusher is missing or damaged. The pusher is the small plastic piece on the end of the driver. To resolve, disassemble, inspect, and replace the pusher as necessary. When air passes through the needle gun and the needles reciprocate but with little power, the most likely cause is the piston ring is broken or missing. In the exploded diagram, the driver and piston ring are rightfully shown as separate parts, because they are. However, in practice, they function as one. The small end of the driver functions as a piston. Like an automobile engine, the piston has a groove designed to accept a piston ring. The job of the piston ring is to make a better seal than the piston can itself. As a result, if the piston ring is missing or damaged, air will escape the chamber and tool performance is compromised. To resolve, disassemble, inspect the piston ring, and replace if damaged. Thank you and have a fine Navy day.